What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today let me turn this off real quick. So what I'm doing today is gonna go get coffee first because my head's hurting and I haven't had coffee. So anyways, I am going to pick up my M Sport bumper. It's already done and it's painted, so I'm gonna go get some breakfast first with my nephew, and then we're gonna go get the money, pick up the bumper, and maybe install it. I need more stuff for the conversion, and these pieces I did not buy with the bumper since I bought the bumper on its own. And well, I'll figure it out. I'll try to see if I can install it without all those stuff that it's required to convert it to an M Sport. I have something in mind, so let's see if everything goes well. Well, I'll pick up the camera as soon as I go get the money and pick up the bumper. Alright, so I stopped at my buddy's to pick up shirt to support his business, you know what I mean? But I also came across this. I think it's a Mark 3 Supra, but this is a Supra pretty much all completely gutted out. Alright? This whole street's full of cars. This is clean. An STI? I mean, come on. Alright guys, so I literally picked up this shirt from my buddy. Anyways, you know, I'm with the cause, as you guys already know. World against racism. Anyways, right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and pick up some money so I can go pay my buddy that painted my bumper. I'm so excited, guys. Like, there's no word to describe this. Like, it's just a bumper, right? But it's gonna make my car look much different, much better, and the mods continue. Anyways, let me pick up the camera when I get to the bank and go and pay my buddy and pick up my bumper. Okay, so this guy's been following me for what, like across town now? I think he wants to race, so as soon as the light turns green, he's gonna step on it. Nah, too much traffic, bro. Yeah, he wanted to race. He's been following me for like across town. Is he gonna wait for me? Watch. He's gonna want me to catch up. Okay, let me catch up onto this guy real quick. Let's play his little game. He heard that turbo. I'm about to race. Okay, enough of having fun. That's it. Oh, this place smells like fish. This is where the homie works. Oh, another f30. Cool. There's where my boy works. So we have parked back behind here. Damn, here it is. This thing is dope. Nice and sticky. Alright, as you can tell, I have my bumper inside. It don't fit all the way because it's bigger. But check it out. I'm gonna go home, try to install it today, maybe not. I need some support since when I bought it, it didn't come with it. Also, I need to get the fog light brackets. Anyways.
And putting content out there for now. Ahorita con pictures, nomás que miren que sí se hace rap, wey. Like, little by little I plan on doing like freaking videos and shit, wey.
You should, bro. They brought them Modelos.
Yes, sir.
Go for it, go for it.
¿Está falso? Sí, güey. Por eso no he hecho nada, güey. Este güey que porque I'm already ahead of the game, güey. Esa madre.
So he does have time for Modelo's, right?
Yeah, of course. I heard you was coming, so I was like, oh, then hurry up.
Cállate. Cállate. Que es una loca, güey.
Ooh, this is wet right here. And my bumper. Alright, so we're gonna start removing the bumper so we can install the new one. As you guys saw, it's already painted. So, pretty much. Let me sit you guys down real quick. While my brother's doing the top, I'm gonna start removing these. Can't find my socket, so this should do it. Alright, so I removed those two 8mm. Now I'm gonna do these right here under, so we can be able to remove the bumper. That's about it. But we're still missing the two 10mm here and on the other side. That's about it. I'll pick up the camera because it was my mom's birthday a few days ago, and we're trying to kind of rush this so we can go get some food. And yeah. Alright guys, so I have this one off already. As you guys can tell, I removed everything. Like I said in previous videos, I suck at explaining stuff, so I already finished taking everything off, put everything to the side, and here is a new bumper, painted. Shout out to my boy. It's already dusty, but shout out to my boy for hooking it up. Pretty nice. Came out really nice, dude. So all I gotta do is swap a few clips from this bumper to the other one, and of course the front grille, so I can install it. I'm probably not gonna be running my fog lights until I buy the grille and the fog light brackets. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, this is ready to go. I'm just gonna slap on the bumper, and yeah, let me swap everything over to this one, and I'll pick up the camera once I install it. So since, like I said, start explaining everything. And if you have any questions, head over to Keys Motorsports channel. They'll show you everything. And also, if I had vinyl, I would have done this one before, but I'll do it soon. Anyways, let me pick up the camera as soon as I get this one installed. By the way, these bolts are 8mm, not 10. Alright, so the stock bumper is out, the Sportline bumper is out, and here it is, the M Sport bumper. So I still have to get this piece right here for the fog lights. I'm actually gonna run fog lights, and of course this piece on this side, and get the middle grille. But that's about it. And just like that, boys, the front end is almost complete. And of course I have to get the BMW emblem off of the old bumper. Alright guys, so yesterday I did the M Sport bumper on my car. As you guys can tell, I didn't really record much, just due to that. Yes, it was my mom's birthday a few days ago, and of course there was visit at the house, and I didn't want to record or talk on the camera in front of them, and they think I'm going crazy. Anyways, so this is how it's sitting. I actually did not remove this. I believe I have to remove this. I'm not quite so sure, but I didn't remove it. I removed the vent that goes down to the tires will cool off the brakes, I believe. And I didn't remove it from this side because, like I said, it was my mom's birthday and we had to finish up grilling it or start grilling and stuff like that. So yeah, I have to remove this one and also this one for it. I believe this is the oil cooler. Well, this is how it's sitting, guys. What do you guys think? My boy that painted it did a sick job. There's no holes whatsoever. There's nothing. There's no sign of there was holes on the bumper whatsoever. So I'm pretty stoked about this. I just wanted to come here and update you guys since I'm at work right now. Sorry if my audio's really bad right now. It's windy again. I don't know. It's been windy for the past few days. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. There's more video coming up. Like I said, there's my lowering spring on my trunk still, which I'm still debating or taking forever to install. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys until the next one. Peace out.
Check it. Yo, this beat so heavily, so I deceptively preach inside of my mind to take whatever's left of me. A soul dissecting me, yeah, a well-known enemy, ever changing the man that I was for. My true identity, yo, check out my pedigree, smooth bitches and readily, rule rhythms and melodies, full bitches and heavy weed. Fuck your amenity, life, a given memory, time soon is ending it while we living selfishly. Cynical brain, killing a physical frame, minimal gain, pitiful lyrical moment of change, pinnacle stage, critical age. Everything that I've done in my life has led me to this day.